Okay, the launch event has ended. Okay. Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is Xiaomi Watch S3. In this video we are just gonna unbox it. Okay, nothing in depth, nothing detailed review about it. I will do that tomorrow. So subscribe if you haven't already, and let's unbox it. All right, let's unbox Xiaomi Watch S3. Yeah, it just arrived, and the man asked me to open it. So the first one is this. Okay, I don't know what this color is. All right, this is a green color. Just a second. Seems like it has many cool functions. All right, these are all the highlights. All right. Oh, looks cool, right? That's the watch, the charger, the charging pad. All right, and also we've got a very simple Chinese menu. This is a Chinese version, of course, it's Chinese, right? All right, and I guess this should be like the magnetic one, right? Okay. Yep. That's right. So let's just peel off. Woo! All right. Some heart rate sensors there. Okay. So to power this thing on, I think you have to connect to the charger, right? Okay, let's see. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can like press and hold this button to turn on. Seems cannot work, right? So I guess you have to connect to your power source first to oh no, don't need Xiaomi HyperOS. So just press and hold this button, alright? I'm not familiar with it and I know nothing about this watch. So first, of course, English. Download Mi Fitness and the device. Alright, I don't want to do that because I can do that tomorrow because today time is really tight. So that's the watch. This color. Wow, looks really premium. Wow. Okay, so the strap is watchable. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Ooh, cool. So this for this color, let's get to the next one. This black color, I think I favor, black color. I'm wearing Xiaomi Mi Band 8. So, whoa. All right. So two colors. All right. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyway, different colors. As you can see. All right. That's the unboxing. I will introduce. I will do a really detailed review tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. All right. Let me just wear it. Okay. So it has this kind of new straps, like have the exact same like the Xiaomi Band, right? But for my wearing experience, like Xiaomi Band, it's kind of easy to fall off as well. So I'm not sure if this would be better. Oh, so that is how it looks. So this is the leather one, obviously more premium. So for leather, that adopt this kind of traditional design, right? I can imagine if I got a fat hand, then it would be difficult to wear. Okay, like right? But anyway, that is how it is. That is the Xiaomi Watch S3.